Hello everyone, Tasia here. Welcome to my 90s blowout hairstyle tutorial. This is way overdue to be released, but anyways, it's finally here. This is my #1 most complimented hair look, and I'm going to show you how to get just that. So let's jump right in. I love to start with a wash day. For this look, I use the Heritage shampoo and conditioner for my hair. There are different types of Heritage shampoo conditioners, so for my hair, I chose the ones that do well for on wavy hair, because that's my natural texture. So go in, gently brush with a wet brush, so to avoid breakage. And to establish volume in this hair look, I go in with the mousse. There are so many wonderful different types out there, but I tend to pick the ones with mostly natural ingredients. This one is very moisturizing. I love to take the mousse and apply small amounts starting from my roots and working all the way to my ends. Definitely start with a little at first. You don't want to apply too much or else you could get product buildup. And now we're going to go in and dry the crown of our head about 70 to 80% of the way, focusing on the crown. You can blow dry the rest of your head too, but we're wanting to keep it still slightly wet for when we use the Revlon brush. And now we're going to section off the crown of our head and secure it with a hair clip. It doesn't need to be perfect, just the best way you can do. As so, I have a lot of hair on the top of my head. And put our clip. It's gonna look a little funky, but again, just the process. Now we're gonna split the bottom section of our head. Again, doesn't need to be perfect, as you saw probably from how I split mine. It's not gonna be perfect. And then you're gonna go in with some heat protectant. I love this hair food heat protectant. It is amazing, so good for your hair, and does so well to do the job of protecting my natural locks when I apply heat. So now we're gonna use the Revlon brush. It's gonna be very loud, very, very, very loud, and just, again, trust the process. So how we do this is we're going to curl away from our face at first, going down with the brush slowly, and then we're going to go towards our face. And then you're going to go over it about one more time or maybe 2 more times away from your face. I love doing the away curl look, coming from both sides, and I love it. It looks great. So as such, you can see me doing it, and when I go down with that last curl, I curl it on the wand and just kind of go around a few rotations and then release it to establish this beautiful fluffy curl. And here's a little bit of a closer look so you can see just how slow I'm going and how I'm grabbing those sections and going around. So again, just take your time with this. Try not to go too fast and go over your hair too many times, because you just might break your hair and cause too much stress to your scalp. So definitely take your time until you've established the nice curls that you're going for. And this is definitely an arm workout. I'm warning you now. This Revlon hairbrush is a little heavy. Again, go in with your heat protectant as well. You do not want to forget that. You really want to protect those long locks. My hair was super long during filming this, my gosh. And then same thing on the other side. You're going to curl away, towards, and away, more times if needed, or less depending on your hair texture. And boom, your bottom layer will be done. Fluffy, voluminous, and then we're going to finish the crown. I'm gonna bring that down with all my layers. My hair can be a mess. And now you're gonna comb and find your natural part. So this may be down the middle, to the side, whatever works for you. For this look, I love doing my hair down the middle, and lately that's been my natural part. And go ahead and section off one side out of the way so it's not in the way of you focusing on whichever side that you choose first to do. And please apply your heat protectant. You really, just trust me, you want to protect your hair. So hair food heat protectant, I highly recommend. And then you do the same method over and over and over again until you finish the other side. Boom, and then we're going to finish the last bit. We'll hit those bangs up in a second too. If you have curtain bangs, I totally understand the stress of it and trying to get them super fluffy, so I'll show you exactly what to do. Away, towards, away, repeat. And boom. That's pretty much the gist of it when it comes to using the Revlon brush and establishing this look. So let's get those bangs all together. We're gonna bundle them up, and then again, the away towards away method, or whichever method works best for you if you're wanting to straighten out your bangs or make them way more fluffy. I like to go away from my head, and boom, it creates this beautiful side swoop with the bangs. And voila, we have finished using the Revlon brush And now I love to go in with some Collab Dry Shampoo, Refresh and Protect. It is amazing. I have a naturally oily scalp, so I love putting this on afterwards to really keep my scalp refreshed throughout the day and the next couple days. And then I fluff it up, and feel free to apply a lightweight hairspray to give yourself that nice fluffy texture hold. Voila, you can see all my layers. I have a lot of layers. And then I like to comb all around my hair, brush it up a little bit to fluff it up, and we're all done. That puts the look all together. I really hope that this tutorial has helped you kind of get an idea how to establish that beautiful 90s blowout look, especially if you have layers like me. Seriously, this hairstyle gives me so much confidence. And of course, after any good hair tutorial, I have a little lonely photo shoot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful for you. Definitely comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I shall see you in our next video. Bye!